Hello, adventurers. It is with a heavy heart that I inform you that it is time to retire our sweet Winnie. Dirty and dusty though she may be. I'm just a kidding. We're getting new tires. Yes. After we lent Minnie out to some friends and they had a blowout in the tire and we had to replace one of the tires, we thought the best course of action would be to go ahead and replace some of the very old tires in the back here, the tandem tires or the dualies or whatever you call them. I'm not a tire expert, but the four back tires needed to be replaced. So we did that, and the new one that was installed became the spare. And so now Minnie has 4 new rear tires. That's right, in the future we'll have to do the front tires, but they're still in pretty good shape. And so $1,000 in the wallet lighter, but a lot more confident on the road with 4 new rear tires. Yeah, especially since we'll be cruising down Highway 1 in July to camp near Big Sur. We thought might be a good idea to not risk having a blowout on the road in this big bad baby. It might be hard to control. So 4 new tires. We're gonna feel really good. She drives nice. They're gonna hold some pressure. Sadly, after we did have them replaced, one of them went flat almost immediately, but we found out it wasn't because of the tires. It was the extension valve that had ended up leaking, and that probably was a result of it being replaced, and maybe from the fact of from the blowout itself might have weakened that. So we got some new ones and got that put back on and replaced as well. And so 4 new tires. We're actually able to got all the tire sensors put on as well. And so now we can see all 6 tires and their inflation as we're headed down the road. A lot more confident behind the wheel of the big Minnie Winnie Winnebago.